With our Hearts on Fire diamonds, what happens is when the diamonds are cut, they're cut perfectly. So when the diamond cutters get a hold of the rough diamond, what they do is they actually magnify the diamond to a greater scale. So with these diamonds, because they're so perfectly cut, you get that perfect colour, you get that perfect sparkle, and they're just amazing. So I'll give you a Hearts on Fire presentation. This is what they call a Hearts on Fire scope. So it allows us to see this perfect symmetry with Hearts on Fire diamonds. And that is in every single Hearts on Fire diamond that they cut. If we flip the diamond over onto the table, you'll see what they call a fire burst.
Yeah, that looks pretty amazing.